Okay, timing speed and timing factors dealing with blood type factors as it relates to mathematics and the spin cycle. So I use a simple example with what happened with a washing machine, right? Okay. Who was the original architect, the engineer that used a set of specifications to say, I'm going to build a smart washing machine, okay? And then the guy was being paid in electrons, which is a number, in order to come up with a design which becomes a washing machine. Now the washing machines needs battery-operated slaves, and how many were produced? How many of those machines that are like that machine sitting back there? It's called a smart machine. How many of those were actually produced in mass? Mass density programming. The filing system. Of all those machines that are held in memory, how many did they produce? And how much did it cost them to produce how many of those machines? Okay? And then use the number of how much did that thing cost? Right? The timing factor between the inception of an idea to make a smart washing machine, and then you have a prototype, and now you mass produce it. And then you realize, now let's say I go back to the engineer and say, hey, listen, you're the engineer that designed the specification on the height and weight and the actual spin rotation of that washing machine. And guess what? It hasn't been in this house for 4 months, and the property owner paid X amount of dollars for it, and it doesn't work as you intended to engineer it. Because now it's breaking. The circuit's broken, like a short circuit, as a timing factor. And you can see that timing factor as blood factor, as type factors, as mathematics, between a true vacuum and a false vacuum across the entire spectrum on this planet. Do a casual survey and see all the circuits that are breaking all over the place, which means their system is breaking down. It's not firing right on time, is it? As a matter of fact, those timing factors are breaking down at a higher rate of speed, which is circulation speed, which is a timing speed factor, which has everything to do with shields. And the timing factor of being right on time, of experiencing a true vacuum. And when I saw that in my mirror, when somebody posted that on a website called The Portal, they got the comms. So circuitry, the threefold founder flames, the gated Y, the brilliance of a gated Y, the brilliance of three, right? The 13th mother arc, the God seed Adam Rouchet, 4 gated Ys, is 12 spheres, the organic water codes. Yeah, and so the numbers don't lie. The numbers don't lie. The true numbers don't lie. The true mathematics doesn't lie. Because the numbers fire right on time, which means the mathematical speed factor, the timing factor is right on time. And that's what I noticed this morning. I went out and communicated with that with the sun, how happy with a big smile on my sun temple face. We're getting that timing down. And that relates to the organic, water-coded 12 clans and tribes. And that is good news. Good news. North, south, east, west. Firing right on time.